That's where we're going, guys. Really, really cool.
We'll start one by one stairs.
Okay, thank you.
馆内电梯直达5楼到8楼等望台，以及下楼时提。
Guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are currently still in Osaka. So today we are going to check out Osaka Castle, right? One of the most prominent landmarks here in Osaka. And Osaka Castle, right, history dates back to around 1583. I think the reconstruction of part of the castle was around 1931. So yeah, we're going to head over there, see what it's like. Going to check out the amazing views, get in the gallery and see what relics and artifacts there are. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. But we're up nice and early, and we'll continue the vlog from here. So I'll meet you guys over there. Thank you. Oh, the door just opened by itself. Electric. It looks like an older car, but yeah, cool. That was lots of fun. I like catching taxis here. Here we are, guys, at Osaka Castle entrance. We just have to find where we need to go, sort out the yen, and give you guys an estimate on how much that is to get in. That's where we're going, guys. Yeah, right ahead, guys. Oh, we've got the flag, guys. These guys are doing tours. Every time you see a guy with like a pole or a little teddy bear or a flag, a whole bunch of people follow him. That's normally like a tour group or something like that. That's the one we went on yesterday. Same sort of thing, just a good way to see stuff fast. It's actually a pretty good experience, but I like to kind of, I don't know, do my own thing, do a bit of freestyle when I'm vlogging, so seems to work for me pretty well. I'm not too big on the tours. Like, if you want to change or do things or spend a bit longer at a certain location, can't always do that though. Yeah, by the way, this looks like the line here, so we'll probably line up in a bit as well. So it might be here for a while. Looks like maybe 10-20 minute wait. Yeah, we finished taking pics, so what we're going to do is line up. It looks like it's moving pretty fast. Yeah, the view from here is really cool, hey? Still in the line. Might be another 10 minutes or so, I reckon. So you've got the option to pay card or cash here, which is pretty good. Japan seems pretty convenient with a lot of things like that. Oh, awesome. Yep. Here you go, ticket, guys. Gonna go head through, trek up these stairs. Awesome. Cheers. Ready? Oh, I got change. Nice. Yeah, so that's not too bad, like a 20-minute wait in line. Yeah, look at all the gold trim, hey, it's really, really cool. Well, gotta hop over, do the tour.
Don't stop explore. Walking up 8 to 8 start one by one stairs.
Okay, thank you.
馆内电梯直达5楼到8楼等望台，以及下楼时提。
Oh, we're gonna head up the other side. I'm gonna get a bit of a workout in today, guys. Heaps of steps. This must be the sixth floor or 7th floor. But yeah, as you can tell, it's getting pretty crowded in here, so we're gonna keep making our way up to the top, and then we'll work our way down from there, I think. Cool. This looks pretty. Yeah, this is pretty. I think this is the 8th floor, guys. Yep. shop. Museum shop, and then the observation deck out here. Still heaps busy out here, guys. Good view, good view. What is this? Yeah. Oh, sorry. 아, 저쪽이야. Oh, there's like a little boat down there. Maybe little boat rides. Oh, isn't this thing called like a moat? Moat. Yeah, like a moat goes around the castle. Like the water, pretty sure. Pretty sure. So would it be like a little moat ride? Yeah, the view from the city up here is really nice, eh? Whoa.
이게 별로 없는 게 아니고 오빠.
Sorry, buddy. It's probably the highlight, like up here. It's just the view, to be honest. Like for me, anyways. My feeling.
I was talking
There you go.
I thought you're the one at my back. I was talking to.
Oh, okay. I was like, where did she go? I think this is, yeah, this is the front. This is where we came from. Yeah, I'm good. I think yeah. I don't think we'll stay here too long, guys. But yeah, we'll make our way out of here anyways. But it's pretty busy, yeah, it's hectic. If you guys like to try it on at home. Alright, we're back on the bottom floor. There was a few floors there where we couldn't film. But yeah, back on the bottom floor. Yeah, this is one of those places you probably spend like an hour unless you're really taking your time reading about all the history and stuff like that. But it's actually really nice from the observation deck and all the views from here outside. That's probably my favourite part of the place. Just the way it was designed and everything around here is really, really nice. But that's just kind of Japan for you so far. Like everything's super nice, super convenient as well. There's a lot of structure here, like super structured. Have big mixed feelings about it, but yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. What's happening here? I'm not gonna lie, it's taken a while to get to the point.
Very small street.
Guys, I'm so confused on what's happening right now. That's just going for ages and not much is happening. Just drawing a bit of a crowd though. Yeah, he keeps telling everyone to come closer, he's just playing with the ball, right? Look at them all. I don't know, I don't have the time to just wait around here.
Japanese garden there?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. We're trying to find the place called the Secret Spot. It's like a Japanese garden. And it's like a little, yeah, Japanese garden. But it's like a river pond, nice, looks like nice, scenic. It's where a lot of people take photos and stuff like that. Yep, this is it over here. I think this is the entrance. Oh, is that a real crow? Whoa. Peep out, maybe. You can't go across this section. Oh yeah, this looks like the spot here, right?
Oh yeah, that one there.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll grab a couple pictures here. There's some touristy stuff. It's an awesome view from the castle in the background. Look at that.
Here.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, nice. All right, so all done with our photo ops here at the secret spot at Osaka Castle. I think it's time to get out of here, get some lunch. I am getting quite hungry. It's around 1 p.m. So we spent about an hour here, maybe an hour and a half. Gotta find some transport and get out of here. Dude.
Flag hotel.
Yeah,
Yeah.
flag.